probiotics feed your gut anytime, anywhere. Nourish your gut with Benefiber.
Morning. Good morning. Yeah, get over it. Oh yeah. Get the molars, don't forget.
So what brings you in today?
It's chickenpox, right? How long do I have to live?
Let me check it out. I don't know how to tell you this.
What?
But
What?
you're going through puberty.
What is that?
You're also going to experience hair growth and your voice might change, but that's completely normal.
Oh, okay, thanks, Doc.
You're welcome.
Okay. He said it's normal. Let me try to pop him. Hands. Oh, yeah, pop it. Ew! That's one down. I'm just gonna go to sleep, and hopefully they'll be gone tomorrow.
Morning time? Ugh. Why do I feel different? What is this creature on my face? And why does it have hair? And why do I sound like this? Get off me, you vermin! Ah!
Wait! How did I get old? Oh, that was weird. I felt so old. Puberty, huh?
Oh, I'm Scottish now! Oh, no! Oh, get this off me!
That's it. I'm done with puberty. Doctor!
What's wrong?
I've had enough of puberty.
But it's natural. You have to go through puberty.
No, make it stop. Give me something.
I might be able to have something, but it's got a lot of side effects. You sure you can handle it?
Give it.
I don't know. You sure?
Give it.
All right, here you go. It's a lot of side. Be very careful. This is
Oh.
the stuff right here. Okay, that's gonna
Thanks,
help.
Doc. Taking all of it. My pimples went away.